Welcome back to the Cat Crazy family / the Old Man Ranch. Well, haven't been busy on the garden. Not busy at all in the garden. It's a mess. Got the lawns all cut. Got some wood that we have. Oh, we're gonna take a long look here. Oh, the wood pile. We'll get down to that in a minute. Moved a little bit of that. Got to reorganize this. The old man didn't stack the wood properly, and or it dried and shrunk and fell over a little bit. Got to get this thing back up and in place. So many chores. And mowed back down in there. Neat little area down there. Got that all mowed. Looking much better. Eventually I want to cut this block of trees out right here. Not these ones, just that kind of big grouping of mess. And then eventually all throughout here I want to cut that all out so that I have kind of one yard area and then make another yard area. That power pole comes out. The power line comes out because that's no longer used, because last year we dug a trench here. Way down at the end there is the actual power pole where my power comes in. Put a power box there and dug a trench all the way along. Goes out to the woodshed, so now I have power to the woodshed and a power panel, and then it goes to the back of the house and into the power panel now. Much better than having the power lines going this way, and then there was another one that went across over there, and it was horrible. Didn't like it, especially with all these trees in here. But one day, maybe by the time I'm 70, I'll get all of these trees all cut out. These are going to take a long time, but yeah, I'd love to get all of this trees cut out and make another kind of front yard piece out here. Would be my grand plan. I want to kind of go through here systematically though, because I don't want to hurt these trees. Those are going to be future big trees like this and like this. So out front, November 2023, I bought a logging truck load of wood, and I finally got through the logging truck load of wood. Almost impossible to believe, but it's true. It is gone, except for this. I gotta cut this up. That is actually wood or logs that came from when I cleared around over there. But so realistically the logging truck load is done, but we'll classify that in there too. And then it's going to be moving this pile bit by bit to the wood shed and split it all and stack it all and get it done. Got all the lawns mowed. We're supposed to get some rain here very, very soon. I'm sure you can hear the wind. Wind is changing. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. Cheers!